Mastering phrasal verbs. Unlocking the secrets of English. Hello learners. Welcome to a brand new video on our Intermediate English Grammar series. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of phrasal verbs. But, what exactly is a phrasal verb? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what phrasal verbs are, but also, you'll be able to use them like a pro. Phrasal verbs are unique to English and are formed by combining a verb and a preposition or an adverb. This combination creates a new meaning, often very different from the original verb. For instance, the verb turn can mean to rotate, but in the phrasal verb turn down, it means to reject. Let's look at a few examples of these fascinating constructions. 1. Give up. This means to quit or stop trying. I won't give up on my dreams. 2. Turn on. This means to activate or start, usually used for electronic devices. Could you turn on the light, please? 3. Look after. This means to care for or supervise someone or something. She looks after her younger brother. Remember, the secret to mastering phrasal verbs is understanding that they're not always literal. Sometimes, the meaning can be very different from the base verb. Here are a few tips to better understand and use phrasal verbs. 1. Use in context. Try to use the new phrasal verb in a sentence as soon as you learn it. 2. Practice, practice, practice. Repetition is key to mastering these verbs. 3. Learn them in groups. It's easier to remember phrasal verbs when they're grouped by a common verb or a common particle. For example, turn on, turn off, turn up, turn down. And there you have it, a quick introduction to phrasal verbs in English. Remember, these verbs can seem intimidating at first, but with a little practice, you'll be using them naturally in no time. Keep practicing and don't give up. Every little bit you pick up will make you a better English speaker. We hope this video has been useful. Stay tuned for more lessons and keep on learning. See you in our next video where we'll dive deeper into this topic.